Welcome friends to Tech Unbox Pro. Today we are going to take a complete and detailed look at the brand new Infinix 70 Pro 5G, a smartphone that is being called one of the most powerful budget flagship killers of 2026. If you are searching for a stylish 5G phone with strong performance, premium design, and a high-quality camera, then this device can easily grab your attention. Starting with the design, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G comes with a modern and premium look that feels much more expensive than its actual price. The phone features a slim body, curved edges, and a glossy back finish that gives it a flagship-style appearance. In hand, the device feels comfortable, lightweight, and very well balanced, making it perfect for daily use. The camera module is clean and stylish, and the overall build quality is impressive for this segment. On the front, Infinix 70 Pro 5G offers a stunning 120Hz AMOLED display, which is one of the biggest highlights of this phone. The display delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness levels, making it ideal for watching YouTube videos, Netflix, gaming, and social media. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling extremely smooth, and once you use it, you will never want to go back to a normal 60Hz screen. Talking about performance, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is powered by a capable 5G processor, which handles multitasking, daily apps, and even heavy gaming without any noticeable lag. Games like PUBG, Call of Duty, Asphalt, and Free Fire run smoothly with stable frame rates. Combined with enough RAM and fast internal storage, this phone gives you a reliable and fast user experience. Whether you are a gamer, a content creator, or a normal user, the performance will not disappoint you. Now let's talk about the main highlight, the camera. The Infinix 70 Pro 5G comes with a massive 200 megapixels AI camera, which is extremely rare in this price segment. The camera captures sharp, detailed, and colorful photos in daylight. Portrait shots have good edge detection, and night mode also performs surprisingly well. For video lovers, you can record high-quality videos with good stabilization, making it perfect for vloggers and YouTubers. For selfie lovers, the front camera is also impressive, delivering clear and natural-looking selfies. Whether it's video calls, Instagram stories, or TikTok content, the front camera quality is more than enough for social media. Battery life is another strong point of the Infinix 70 Pro 5G. It comes with a large 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day with heavy usage. You can watch videos, play games, scroll social media, and still have battery left at the end of the day. The phone also supports fast charging, so you can quickly recharge and get back to your work without waiting for hours. In terms of software, Infinix provides a clean and smooth user interface with useful features, customization options, and smart optimizations. The phone supports all important 5G bands, dual SIM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and modern security features like fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Overall, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is a complete all-rounder smartphone that offers premium design, powerful performance, a high refresh rate AMOLED display, a 200 megapixels camera, and long battery life at an affordable price. It is clearly made for users who want flagship-level features without spending too much money. So if you are planning to buy a new 5G smartphone in 2026, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G should definitely be on your shortlist. It delivers excellent value for money and stands strong against competitors like Samsung, Redmi, Realme, and Vivo in the same segment. This is one of those rare phones that looks premium, performs well, and offers powerful specs, making it a true budget flagship killer. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more daily smartphone reviews, comparisons, and tech updates.